Animals are always loyal and will do almost anything to defend those they care about. Watch this video till the end and we're sure that you'll be amazed. When a black bear was lurking around in the backyard of a family home, this dog bravely fought and chased away the dangerous animal. This surveillance camera shows how this cat thought an innocent babysitter was being mean to the baby and tries to defend him. Even though the babysitter didn't actually do anything wrong, it still shows that the cat has a strong will to protect its family from danger. This adorable service dog is trained to protect its owner's head while she's experiencing seizures. This dog not only protected its owner from an angry goose, but also treated the animal gently so as not to hurt it. After an intruder broke into this home, something quickly made him change his mind. Watch as a man starts to chase the owner of the house, when out of nowhere, her heroic pit bull jumps in to protect her. This dog saved her owner's life in an incredible way after suffering from a seizure. As a car zips by, it seems to give the dog an idea. She runs out into the middle of the street to stop the next oncoming vehicle. The driver then jumps out to provide help. A coyote wandered onto the city streets and attacked a young girl who was walking her dog. As the girl tried to escape, the tiny dog bravely defended its owner from the predator. When this burglar came face to face with a Great Dane, they tried to gain its trust while the owner was sleeping in another room. At first, it seems to be working, but when the owner hears a noise and gets up to investigate, she lets out a scream, alerting the dog to immediately shift into protection mode. The intruder was later caught and convicted of second-degree burglary. When a vicious leopard started attacking this truck driver, a gang of street dogs teamed up to protect the man and scare it away. A dog that suffered some kind of injury was saved by two cats who carried the injured dog across the street. While two young bears were lurking around a neighborhood, the people who lived there had to quickly lock themselves in their houses. That was until a small French bulldog found the courage to chase the bears off. An aggressive one-year-old Rottweiler challenged an owner and his German Shepherd for some food, but watch how the German Shepherd shows who's the alpha. These two dogs rescued a fish that was stuck in the shallow water. Just watch how they brilliantly dig a channel for the dying animal to escape through, saving its life just in time.
Всё, ты его отпустил!
This dog bravely threw itself into the water to rescue a drowning person. This guy literally owes the dog his life. A 3-year-old boy who was on holiday with family at Durrell Wildlife Park fell into the gorilla enclosure. The boy was terrified as the silverback gorilla approached him, but instead of showing aggression, the giant animal stroked the boy's back as if to soothe him and protected him from the other gorillas. Then, miraculously, the gorilla placed the boy near the cage door and stepped back as zookeepers picked up the child and took him back to safety. While this man wasn't actually drowning, an elephant thought otherwise and decided to help stop him from being swept away by the current. This incredible rescue proves the fact that elephants are one of the most intelligent creatures on Earth. This stray dog took it upon himself to stop all the cars and protect the kindergartners while crossing the street. An intelligent horse helped a rancher to tag his calf by protecting him from its nervous mother. And here's another dog protecting its owner from an enraged goose. Check out how this dog even stops a tornado from forming. This brave cat mother defends her kitten against a group of aggressive street dogs. When a venomous snake was blocking this guy's path, his dog quickly took care of the threat for him. A young man was outside with his dogs when suddenly a bear appeared from the shadows. As the man ran for his life, one of the dogs challenges the enraged bear to protect his owner. And even though the bear is much bigger, the dog gives him a really tough fight. When this big lion suddenly attacked one of the zookeepers, a lioness decided to protect the man and placed herself between them. Watch how an amazingly quick-thinking cat saved this toddler from falling down the stairs. When the scent of salmon is abound, grizzlies are never too far away. And that is exactly what happened during a family's fishing vacation, where a huge and hungry bear came too close for comfort. However, the bear initially didn't realize it would have to contend with brave dogs like these. At first, the bear stood its ground, but the dogs didn't back down either and eventually chased it away from their family. After the winter hibernation, bears are very hungry. While in search of food, they often end up approaching people's homes, and hungry bears are very dangerous. Just look at this dog chasing away a bear who got way too close for comfort. Sometimes cats treat people like they're kittens, with some even attempting to rescue a person, like this cat who probably wonders why these humans are voluntarily getting into the water while desperately trying to drag her owner out of the bath. A leopard was trying to sneak up on a zookeeper, but this heroic tiger had his back and stopped the attack from ever happening. Let us know in the comments section which of these clips was your favorite. And while you're down there, remember to like and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.